Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and compliance. So for today's tip, this is part 2. I want to tell you how you can start protecting yourself immediately from all the cyber attacks that are going on. Number one way is passwords. Make sure you have a unique password for each of the different websites you have, including all logins. The number 2 way is you need phishing training. It's very important to get phishing training, not only for you, but for your staff. Everybody needs to know what a phishing email looks like and what to click on and what not to click on and how you can tell if it's a phishing email or not. The next thing is, number 3 is you need next generation malware protection. It needs to protect against fileless attacks. You see, PowerScript attacks are the newest thing out there, and most malware protection, especially the traditional ones like Norton, McAfee, Avast, and all those guys, can't protect for it. You need a next generation malware protection. The next thing you want to make sure is that you get third-party patches and updates immediately installed on your systems. That means as soon as a patch is released, it needs to be installed on your system, if not the same day, the next day. The next thing is you want to make sure your Microsoft updates are turned on and they are updating your system continuously. As new threats are found, Microsoft is releasing security patches. It's important that these patches are done promptly. But there's another issue with Microsoft, and that is they release a lot of things that mess up computer systems. So it's a good idea to have a system in place where the patches aren't put in place automatically, especially their new level service packs. You wait 3 or 4 weeks and then move them into place. This way it'll save you a lot of headaches in the long run. You also need to make sure that your systems are monitored for traffic and what's going on in your networks. Hackers can very easily get in and infiltrate a network now, and unless you're monitoring those networks, you do not know that they're in your network. So please click on the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below. We are offering free network analysis. Click on the link to get a free network analysis. We'd love to help you out. Have a great day. Stay safe.